Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little different. I'm making a custom puzzle from scratch. I'm starting by cutting out all the puzzle pieces, and once that's done, I'm taking the design over to the UV printer to bring it to life with a full print. It's a fun project and I'm taking you through the whole process step by step, so let's get into it. A design tip powered by MaxLaser Academy. Here in CorelDRAW, I bring my image and place it roughly where I want it to be. Once I'm happy, I use the PowerClip option by going to Object, PowerClip and place inside frame. After that, I scale the PowerClip slightly larger than the puzzle area so the artwork overlaps the edges. This ensures a full coverage with no gaps. Next, I hide all my layers except the white layer and I export it as my white TIFF file. Then I hide the white layer, unhide the color layer and I export that as my color TIFF file. Finally, I hide the color layer, unhide the jig layer and I export that as my jig TIFF file. Here we are in LightBurn and I'm using the machine's camera to position the design correctly on the material. Since the cut lines weren't saved as red hairlines in the SVG, everything that's imported will be a different color. But that's fine, you can fix it directly in LightBurn. I select all the shapes, change them to the red layer and I set that layer to line mode with the right settings. My cutting settings are speed 15, power 75 with air assist on. Once everything looks good, I send the job to the machine. Now we're in the ArtisJet Layout Designer and I start by importing my jig file. The print mode for the jig is white only. Then I import the white TIFF file and that one is also white only print mode. After that, I import my color TIFF file and its print mode is color only. that's our custom puzzle finished. Fully cut, fully printed, and it came together so nicely. I love seeing a project go from just a design on a screen to something you can actually hold and enjoy. It's definitely a fun way to get creative and make something unique, whether it's for yourself or as a gift. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.